Okay.
Recording in progress.
Question number 20, we'll see the nearest star to our solar system is 4.29 light years away. How much is this distance in terms of parsec? How to do this part? If any nearest star is this much distance away, in converting into parsec, so if we divide the value of 1 parsec to 4.9 light year, इसको divide कर देंगे parsec से, parsec की value से, but both are in their own units. So first we have to convert them into meter. तो light year में कितने meters होते हैं? 9.46 into 10 to the power 15. All right, 1 parsec is how much? 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. If we divide, it will be coming approximately 1.32. It means what? This distance is equal to 1.32 parsec. Cross multiply कर लो, तो 4.29 light year will be equal to 1 parsec, equal to 1.32 parsec. इसको cross multiply कर लेंगे ना, 4.29 light year parsec will come to right hand side. All right, तो ये तो हो गया first part का आंसर. What about second one? Second part. How much parallax would this star named Alpha Centauri show when viewed from the two locations of Earth 6 months apart in its orbit around the sun? ये distance कितना होगा? Two locations of the Earth 6 months apart in its orbit around the sun. How much this value will be there? The sun is here, Earth is going around it like this. Suppose first location is this one. After 6 months, it is coming here. All right. So this will be 6 months apart. In next 6 months, it will come back to its original point. That's complete circle. Almost circular orbit is there. And Alpha Centauri is here. It is far away. In fact, this angle is very, very small, right? But it is not to the scale. For simplicity, we have taken the larger angle. Okay. So theta निकालना है ना. Theta is equal to arc upon radius. This will be arc. This will be radius. So how much will be this distance? E to E dash. यहाँ पर. So initial position is A. Final is B after 6 months. So this will be how much? This much is 1 AU. No? Distance between sun and earth is 1 AU. 1 AU more 2 AU. 2 astronomical unit apart will be these 2 points. That will be equal to 2 AU. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में आ गया, because this point is, you should know how much is this, these 2 points apart. That is 2 AU. 1 AU is 1.496 into 10 power 11, and this distance is given 4.29 light year. Divide कर दो light year को भी मीटर में convert करके. So this comes this much radian, 7.37 into 10 power minus 6. This should be the answer. SI unit में है, but they have given you answer in seconds, arc second में दिया. तो arc second के लिए हमें ये formula use, ये relation use करना पड़ेगा. This much radian is 1 arc second. तो divide करना पड़ेगा इसको. तो आंसर आ जाएगा कहाँ पे है? Just let me see. हाँ, divide करने के बाद let me just get back that answer first. कहाँ पर है? No, I have to see. Divide करने से 1.52 आ रहा है. If we divide this value 7.37 into 10 to the power minus 6, for converting into arc second, this is a relation 4.85 into 10 to the power -6. So this is coming 1.52 double prime, that is arc second. तो ये आंसर होना चाहिए, but it is needless to convert. Once we have the answer in radian, that should be the final answer. But your textbook writes the answer in arc second. तो यहाँ पर देखिए कितना आंसर दिया, 2.4 arc second दिया हुआ है भाई. Answer coming is 1.52. So that sometimes the problem remains that we can just change. बोलो इसमें डाउट है तो just you can ask your doubts here. बोलिए.
Please explain.
Yes, बोलिए. Come again. Anything? Plane angle use किया हमने. Theta is equal to arc upon radius. This will be arc, this will be radius. In fact, they both will look like a point. है ना, ये भी point दिखेगा इधर. These distances such a large distance. Both these 2 points will be very close to each other, you know, because this distance is very large. ऐसा कुछ angle बनेगा like this. Very small angle will be there. Are you getting these points? And ये अर्थ का ऑर्बिट होगा, बीच में सन हो गया, सब में अर्थ will be like point only. Sun will also be bigger point, like that. Getting these points or not?
Yes, sir.
Somebody wanted to clarify point. कुछ clarify करना था कुछ आपको? All right. So similar question, one more is there. You can do it yourself. Now I am not doing that. Next question कौन सा बताया था मैंने? If you have the problem, you can ask. This is done. Okay. So what about this? ये भी question वैसा ही है, almost similar question है, देखो. I have solved it. Question number 24. When the planet Jupiter is at distance this many millions kilometers, ये distance दी दिया हुआ है from the Earth, its angular diameter. Angular diameter मतलब ये angle. What is this angle? Can be called parallax angle. That's given. ये distance दी है, angular diameter seconds में दी है. This is the converting value to radian में convert करना है. So you have to multiply by this. Already that is the solid example of your textbook. Radian में convert हो गया. थीटा को रेडियस से इसका डायमीटर है, b will be जो arc है that will be equal to very close to the diameter. Solve कर लो दोनों ऐसा यूनिट में पुट करने के बाद. It's coming this many kilometers, which is roughly 1.4 into 10 to the power 5 kilometers, much bigger than Earth. Earth की radius पता कितनी? Do you know how much is the radius of the Earth? Earth की radius है 6,400 है ना? तो 6.4 into 10 to the power 3 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
ये Earth की radius है. Jupiter is very large as compared to Earth. So almost similar question. No problem here. तो ये plane angle का formula use कर रहे हैं. If the angle is very small, then it will be arc will be equal to ये जो arc है, it will be nothing but a straight line. ये arc ऐसा रहता है. It will be almost equal to straight line. That will be the diameter of the particular astronomical body when these angles are very small. Whatever next question ये वाला. This is easy question, can be asked very easily in your unit test and all. Could you get this? क्या दिया है देखो. Laser is source of very intense monochromatic and unidirectional beam of light, these properties of laser light can be exploited to measure the long distances. Okay, तो this laser की property लिख दी उन्होंने. Now distance of moon from the earth has been already determined very precisely using the laser as a source of light. Laser light beam at the moon, laser light beamed at the moon takes 2.56 seconds to return after the reflection at the moon surface. इतने टाइम में वापस भी आ जाती है वो. How much is the radius of the lunar orbit around the earth? ये जो ये रेडियस निकालनी, दिस ऐसे मून इज गोइंग लाइक दिस, अर्थ इज हियर, तो दिस वन, तो दिस इज द लूनर ऑर्बिट, तो ये रेडियस हो जाएगी ना. इफ यू ड्रॉ द ऑर्बिट लाइक दिस है ना, तो दिस डिस्टेंस विल बी रेडियस. इसको आर सिंबल लिख देते, चलो ठीक है, सिंबल चेंज कर सकते हैं. तो इट गोज, लाइट गोज एंड कम्स बैक. हाउ मच टाइम? 2.56 seconds. How to do this question? बोलो, very simple.
Speed is equal to distance into time. Speed
Yes,
is equal to
speed
distance
is equal to
into time.
distance into time, है ना.
Sorry, speed
Move.
into time equals distance. Sorry, speed into time
Just
equals
I am
distance.
busy in writing. I am repeating whatever you told. Okay, now tell me. क्या बोला आपने? फिर से बोलिए.
Speed into
Speed
time
is equal
equal
to,
distance के फॉर्मूले में. Speed into time
Okay.
equal distance के फॉर्मूले
क्रॉस
में.
मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. distance will be speed into time. ठीक है, because speed is equal to distance upon time. Time इधर था, टाइम को इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. तो स्पीड कितनी लेंगे बोलो?
D into
How much
10
is the
power.
speed? Light
D
की
into
speed
10
they have
power.
given you. No, you must remember this because we need it very frequently. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Time how much?
2.56. 2.56.
X क्या, यहाँ पे क्या लिखना पड़ेगा बोलो इधर?
2R.
2R, very correct, because
2R.
it is going and coming back. 2R लिखना पड़ेगा. तो 2 will be coming in denominator, और ये सेकेंड से देखो, SS will go, 2 will come in denominator and simplify कर लो, तो R की वैल्यू, do I have the answer? एक मिनट देखता हूँ आंसर है क्या. Let me see here. मिक्स हो गया सब, कितना है आंसर? You can check it and write. Solve it. इसको solve करके you check the answer how much is coming. If it is not matching, then you tell me. ठीक है, 2 को नीचे भेजना पहले. All right. Similar question is this also. Again, absolutely same. Only speed of sound is different. Sonar system is there. Sound navigation and ranging. Uses ultrasonic waves to detect and locate the objects under the water. Water के अंदर sonar system use करते हैं. In submarine equipped with the sonar, the time delay between generation of the probe wave, ये probe wave है, and reception of its echo after reflection from an enemy submarine. Here is the enemy submarine, is found to be this much. Time to return is 77 seconds, going and coming back. What is the distance? Again, same formula. 2D will be how much? Speed into time. So speed दी हुई है कितनी? 1450. 1450 into 77 divide by 2. 2 इधर आ जाएगा, d आ जाएगा, तो इसका आंसर दिया हुआ है किलोमीटर में. हाँ, एंड आल्सो किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 1000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. इट इज कमिंग दिस मच. ओके, दिस आंसर आई हैव रिटन हियर. जस्ट लेट मी ब्रिंग इट दिस साइड. दिस विल कम 55,825 meter, which is close to the 55.8 kilometer. 1000 से डिवाइड कर दो इसको, तो दिस विल बी द आंसर. These two questions are easy. Only thing you have to use the proper formula. And यहाँ पे distance is covered twice, तो 2D लेना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, it is simple question. ठीक है, no problem. So this was the question number 30th. Done.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, one more topic is there. Sometimes it is taught to you in the class. So let me cover that also. The estimation of very small distances. Finding the very small distances, that is the size of the molecules. एक molecule का size निकालने का एक rough method they have discussed in the textbook, our textbook. Let's do that. So just I have copied from your textbook only. Only thing diagram is not there. I have made the simple diagram. देखो, simple method for estimating the molecular size of oleic acid is given below. Oleic acid is the soapy liquid with the large molecular size. उसका molecular size थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है, 10 to the power -9 meter. इतना बड़ा भी नहीं, but it is very small only. You cannot see it even. है ना? तो this much rough size, this much is the molecular size of each molecule. So idea is to first form the monomolecular layer. Monomolecular layer मतलब single molecules की ऐसे. Just let me show you just ऐसा single molecules. तो monomolecular layer बना लो ऐसे. तो इसके लिए तुम्हें you need the following things to do that. ठीक है. तो क्या करना है monomolecular layer बनाने के लिए? Take dissolve 1 centimeter cube of oleic acid in the alcohol. Alcohol में इसलिए कि it will evaporate. So molecular layer will remain there. Acid in alcohol to make a solution of 20 times कर लो उसमें. Just mix the alcohol. Solution will be this much. And further इसमें से you take 1 cc, 1 cubic centimeter. Drop again 1 cc from this. ठीक है. Take 1 cc. Cc means both. You know cc and centimeter both are same. Centimeter cube both are same. है ना? Cc means cubic centimeter. We can write it centimeter cube also. Both are same. So 1 cc of this solution and dilute it again into the 20 centimeter cube of alcohol. फिर से dilute करना है.
Sir, you are not audible.
Sir, you are inaudible.